Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unmute someone on Threads. Maybe you have muted someone in the past, but now you want to see their contents again. So today I'm going to show you how to unmute someone on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, look for the privacy option and tap on it. In this page, you can now see this muted option. Simply tap on it. In this section, you will find a list of all users you have previously muted. Scroll through the list and find the person that you want to unmute. For example, I want to unmute this user. So simply tap on this unmute button next to their username. After that, you now have successfully unmuted someone on Threads. Their posts and stories will now start appearing in your feed once again. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unmute someone on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unmute someone on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.